Apple might be quietly gearing up for its next big category, and this one could sit right on your finger. No flashy launch yet, no official teaser, but the noise around an Apple Smart Ring is getting louder by the month. And if history tells us anything, it's that when Apple waits, it usually isn't falling behind, it's setting up to dominate. Right now, if you look at the Smart Ring space, Apple is nowhere to be seen. Lists are filled with names like the Oura Ring and the Samsung Galaxy Ring, devices that already track sleep, recovery, and health metrics in a compact form factor. But Apple's absence doesn't mean disinterest. It actually feels more like a setup, because this is exactly what Apple did before entering the smartwatch market. Back in 2015, the Apple Watch didn't arrive first, it arrived polished. Apple Watch competitors experiment, fail, refine, and iterate, and then stepped in with a product that defined the category. Fast forward to today, and the Apple Watch still dominates without needing drastic redesigns every year. Now imagine that same playbook, but for smart rings. The Apple Ring, if it becomes real, could follow that exact pattern. Let others test the waters, figure out what works, and then drop a version that just does everything better. Cleaner design, tighter ecosystem, smoother experience. And here's where things get interesting. This isn't just speculation anymore. Apple has been quietly building the foundation for years through patents. One of the earliest traces goes back to 2019, where Apple filed for a wearable electronic ring computing device. That wasn't just a basic tracker, it described something much more ambitious. We're talking about a ring with its own tiny touchscreen, built-in microphone, and biometric sensors. Not just passive tracking, but active control. Think of it less like a simple ring, and more like a miniature extension of your phone, almost like shrinking the Apple Watch down to your finger. Then came more filings. In 2020, Apple explored advanced gesture controls. Imagine controlling your TV, scrolling through apps, or adjusting volume just by moving your fingers. No screen taps, no voice commands, just subtle hand movements. By 2023, things got even more refined, with patents describing physical sensors that trigger actions across connected Apple devices. And that's the real key here, the ecosystem. If Apple launches a ring, it won't exist as a standalone gadget. It'll plug directly into everything. Your iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, even headphones like the Apple AirPods Max. The Ring could act as a control hub, a health tracker, and a seamless extension of your digital life, all without needing to pull out your phone. That level of integration is something competitors simply can't match at the same scale. Apple doesn't just build products, it builds ecosystems that lock everything together. But Apple isn't stopping at rings. Some of these patents hint at something bigger, a broader wearable strategy. We're talking about devices that could be worn not just on your fingers, but potentially as anklets, lanyards, or other body-based accessories. The goal seems clear: create tech that stays with you all day, blending into your lifestyle without feeling intrusive. And honestly, that's where a smart ring makes perfect sense. Unlike a smartwatch, it's subtle, lightweight, always on. No constant notifications lighting up your wrist, no bulky hardware, just quiet, continuous tracking and interaction. It's the kind of product that doesn't scream for attention, but becomes essential once you start using it. Now, here's the reality check. None of this guarantees a launch. Apple files tons of patents that never turn into real products. But patterns matter. And Apple doesn't repeatedly explore the same idea over multiple years unless there's serious interest behind it. So if you're waiting for the next Apple moment, this could be it. A completely new category, built the Apple way late to arrive, but miles ahead when it does. And if that happens, don't be surprised if the smart ring market suddenly shifts overnight. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Apple Ring? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.